Hi, what's the best gift you can give to anyone? To me, it's really about love, gratitude, and health. With that in mind, I've curated the world's first love and gratitude hamper, which focuses on 3 elements. 1, it is natural, it is healthy, it is body nourishing. 2, it has been thoughtfully curated to contain 5 different herbal soup packs for different important days of Chinese New Year. Starting from the uplifting herbal soup for the Eve, where it enhances one's energy and also tasty. Second, the vegetarian go meat-free version for the first day of Chinese New Year. And 3, the sumptuous one enhances one's immunity and tasty, of course, for the important days like 7th or 9th day of Chinese New Year. The 4th one is after all the Chinese New Year goodies, we need something to clear away all the toxins, all this undigested food, so enhances one's digestive system. And the 5th one is to prevent cold, which are a common issue during this festive period. Now, these are the creation of my parents over 50 years of history, expertise in Chinese herbs and soup brewing. And personally, it has transformed my family's lives. Now, the last point is that I wanted it to also care for Mother Earth. Over 90% of the content have been specially sourced to make sure it can be reused, and it will add an elegant touch to any corner of your house. Now, your loved ones will remember you as they see and reuse that retro basket. So please order yours and claim yours today, right? As order will close on this Sunday, 24th of January, midnight Singapore time. Thank you.